Here's how I cleaned my whole house with Extend-A-Reach in just one afternoon. This one tool got my stucco walls and my windows ready for fall. I'm not only using the Extend-A-Reach exterior house cleaning set, I also have an additional brush head that I added here. My house was a mess. Mud splashed on the windows, cobwebs tucked in the corners, and so many wasp nests everywhere. The Extend-A-Reach brush set makes it so simple to tackle all of this with one set. I just extend the pole, lock it into place, and switch out the brush heads depending on what I'm cleaning. Cobwebs, gone in seconds. High windows, clear, streak-free. Stucco wall covered in mud, scrubbed clean without me ever having to touch a ladder. It's safe, easy, and so satisfying to watch everything come off. Now the whole house looks fresh again. The Extend-A-Reach exterior house cleaning brush set is one tool for a total reset. It's one that'll make your fall reset way faster and easier.